Now, let's fast forward to today, where you're now an entrepreneur who's out there killing it. And before, really quickly here, for those of you, where can people follow you, John? Because I follow you, obviously, and you share so many great tips, nuggets, whatever you want to call it. Where can people follow you who are listening right now?
Yeah, on Instagram, I'm probably most active at John Madsen Official.
Okay.
Or my website, johnmadsen.com would probably be the easiest.
Okay.
JohnMadsen.com, I have a podcast called The Show. There's probably 150 episodes where I share a lot of this stuff. And you could, if you go to johnmadsen.com, you could subscribe and also find me on socials there too. So that's probably the easiest.
Gotcha. Okay, perfect. Excellent. So now let's fast forward to where we are today, and you're now killing as an entrepreneur. You played in the NFL, and can you tell us a little bit about what it is that you do right now? So you'd mentioned earlier you'd gone virtual. There was a time when obviously you were there in person. Can you share a little bit about what you do for people right now?
Yeah, so I created a coaching program. It's called the Athletic AF. That was the last branded gym that I had, Athletic AF. Really, it stands for what it stands for, but the real name is Athletic and Fit. Mm-hmm. And so, just kind of a play on logo. Yeah. And so I created this project called the Athletic AF CEO Project for entrepreneurs or for people who are busy professionals who really have, they have that drive, right? Mm-hmm. I'm not taking people off the couch that are eating potato chips that don't care. I'm meeting people where they're like, dude, I'm already putting an effort into the gym. I'm going to these classes. I'm trying to eat healthy, but I look in the mirror, John, and I just can't ever get, I don't know if it's my body or my genetics or what it is, but I'm like, I still look pretty average. Yeah. But I want to dial this in so that when I take vacations with my family and wife, people are like, whoa. And I'm like, whoa to myself. Right. So I created this little transformation program where we do, training and nutrition, but more importantly, and probably, a lot of people can do that. What I do is help people connect their mind and their heart to the fact that we are going to get this transformation. And probably what I'm most proud of is we set goals, right? We set goals and we have this goal, but what I help these people do is understand that it's not about the goal. When we hit that goal, we got to turn that into a new standard for ourselves. And so that's where I really have created this culture of people who are just winning in fitness. And I coach people virtually all over the world. And so, I meet them a prospect thinking that they need to get in shape. Yeah. And I think I help them transform and let that transformation take over other aspects of their life too, which is what I'm mostly interested in is, changing a person's mind, changing a person's body.
Yes. Gotcha. Okay, before we part ways, in case you have a dog or know someone else who does have a dog, I wanted to take a quick second to show you the Snap Leash. The Snap Leash can literally do so many things, and I'm going to share with you one of the many cool things that it can do. As you can see, the Snap Leash is designed with 2 swivel hooks, one on each end. This end has a cushion stitched into it to make it comfortable when walking your dog. Now, all you have to do is take this swivel hook, put it into this very first grommet, and now you've got your handle. Okay, so now let's imagine you're at the park and you want to secure your pet quickly, safely, and easily to a park bench, a tree, or a pole because you just want to sit down and relax. Well, all you need to do is take this swivel hook, remove it from the very first grommet, wrap this leash around any size tree or pole or park bench, and put it into the appropriate grommet. And now you have secured your pet quickly, safely, and easily. And when it's time to head home, another great feature about the Snap Leash is you can simply wrap it around your waist for hands-free walking. Lastly, if you ever accidentally forget your waist bags at home, these grommets make a great place to fasten the waist bags so you never leave home without them. And if you want to see all of the other cool things that the Snap Leash can do, then please just click on the link below and find out why so many others are falling in love with the Snap Leash.